what happens to the first vehicle here in just a minute when it crosses over the bridge. See, it approaches the bridge now. Hold your ears. Boom. There's a roadside bomb. Unfortunately, that's a very common thing in the Afghanistan conflict that we're involved in right now. So, of course, now everyone will be worried about the condition of these people, but they were also concerned about attacks from hostiles, because now that they're standing still, they're sitting ducks, they're very easy targets for the enemy. So, the first thing I want to do from my command vehicle is report an IED event. So I click on IED, improvised explosive device, click on send, and it will automatically send it to everyone on my network. If you look at the CITRO headquarters over to the right, here I have a new message. I can open it up and it says IED reported by 7-1, vehicle position, blah, blah, blah.